Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add collaborator in Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and as you can see, I have prepared an image. I'm going to upload this image to my Instagram story. And if you want to add collaborator to this Instagram story, we can click on this A icon and then we can select mention, and you can mention someone you want to make as collaborator in this Instagram story. For example, I'm going to mention this person or this account, and then make sure you click on this option so the person you have mentioned will be able to add the story to their story. And I'm just going to select this one, and now the mention has been added, and we can click on this done button, and you can customize it. You can just place this mention to any part of your story, and you can click on your story, and then the story will be posted to your Instagram account, and someone you mentioned will be able to share or to repost the story. And actually, you can also add mention after you post the story. And I'm going to show you how we can mention someone after we post the story. I'm just going to remove this one, and I'm going to post my story. Okay, and now just wait until the story has been uploaded. And after the story has been uploaded, we can click on these three dots, click on the more option, and then click on add mention. And I'm going to mention this account, and then we can click on add. Okay, and now the mention has been added, and someone we have mentioned will be able to share our story, and we can do collaboration in this story. I'm just going to check it guys. I'm going to open my second account, and I'm just going to open my Instagram direct message. Okay, I'm going to add the story to my Instagram. I'm going to add to your story, and then we can tap to change the size. To collaborate in this Instagram story, I recommend you to tap on it to get the full screen, and I'm going to share it to my story. Okay, and then I'm just going to check it and wait guys, the story is being uploaded. Okay, and now as you can see that this is the collaboration. Now we can see the collaboration right here. Alright guys, and that's how we can add collaborator in Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.